Pure bliss. I'm a much happier person when I can let my stress go at the end of the day. How would you describe the spa?
Heaven on earth. That's how I would describe it.
Pure bliss. Heaven on earth. Isn't that what we're all looking for? At Snake River Pool and Spa, we specialize in bringing paradise to your home. Now is the time to invest in your well-being and happiness. You deserve the hot spring spa experience whenever you want or need it. At Snake River Pool and Spa, we'll deliver and set up your hot tub right to your home.
We talked about having one for so long, and I finally said, life's too short. What are we waiting for? Let's do this now.
Yeah, we should have invested in a spa a lot sooner.
Wellness. We all want to achieve optimal wellness in order to reduce stress and the risk of illness. Everything you do and every emotion you feel relates to your well-being. At Snake River Pool and Spa, we make it easy to support your wellness efforts through hot spring spas and through experiencing our Finleo traditional and dry saunas. Dr. Bruce Becker is a clinical professor of rehabilitation medicine and the director of the National Aquatics and Sports Medical Institute at Washington State University.
You come home after a long day of brutal work and pour yourself a hot bath, or if you're fortunate enough to have a hot tub, and you sink in and there's this kind of process. Well, there's got to be a physiologic reason for that. There really are potent biologic changes that happen. Mother Nature is always in the process of trying to repair and restore. And what Mother Nature offers with immersion is an opportunity to conquer that.
Here at Snake River Pool and Spa, another great way we support a healthy lifestyle is through our traditional and infrared saunas.
That's right, Jim. A traditional sauna uses steam or dry heat to open up your pores. It relaxes your limbs and unleashes a cleansing wash of perspiration from head to toe. And when it's all said and done, you feel cleaner, fresher, newer. Infrared saunas warm the body with a narrow band of energy that travels 2 to 3 inches deep into the body to increase circulation and nourish damaged tissue. No matter which one is right for you, they both help to flush out toxins that the body accumulates throughout your day.
Quality. At Snake River Pool and Spa, we pride ourselves in only selling the best products available in the industry. Hot spring spas and Finleo saunas. Quality spas and saunas that receive excellent care can be enjoyed for 20 years and beyond.
Quality products backed by exceptional service rank as our highest company values. Over our 40 years of business, we've been approached by every major manufacturer, and we could offer any brand of products, but we chose to stay with the best. It's one of the main reasons that we have stayed in business for these 40 years, while 50 or more of our competitors have come and gone. Why risk going anywhere else? Our customers love the quality and have referred many friends, family, and coworkers to us year after year.
Quality control in a sauna is just as critical. Kyle Mueller is our general manager and vice president here at Snake River Pool and Spas. He shares with us an abundance of quality features of our Finleo saunas.
We chose Finleo saunas because of their reputation as the best in the industry. And as the market leader since 1919, they offer the most complete line of traditional steam and far infrared saunas. From entry-level portable far infrared saunas that can install in minutes, to deluxe custom traditional steam saunas made just outside the Twin Cities of Minnesota. Finleo has a sauna for every taste and budget.
At Snake River Pool and Spa, we bring fun, friends, and family together, creating lifelong memories with our awesome selection of game tables. Recreation doesn't have to mean leaving your home. You can create an exciting atmosphere as you entertain guests at your parties or special occasions.
Absolutely love our pool table. That was one of the best investments we've made. We've made many investments from Snake River Pool and Spa, but that is one of the best ones because even when our kids are growing up, their families are coming over now that they're married. Our grandkids are coming over, they're bringing their friends. And so it's just a great reason to have everybody over. Everybody gets together. It's great family fun, and everybody's having a great time.
I'm really competitive at the game. I love the game of billiards.
And he really is good.
We have everything you need to build a one-of-a-kind game room, including shuffleboard, table tennis, foosball, and air hockey tables that offer hours of entertainment for players of all ages and abilities. You can count on your game table from Snake River Pool and Spa to last for many years, providing you the best in-home entertainment. Create lifelong memories today. Come into Snake River Pool and Spa now and allow our team to be of service and help you with your next purchase. Go online, call, or come in to meet our spa team today. At Snake River Pool and Spa, we make it easy to take it easy.